Okay, so now that we are done with designing our display and our settings, now it's time to make these images, color of the images dynamic, and also our input text. So that when we click on each of these t-shirt, it will automatically change the color of our t-shirt in our display, as well as when we write a text here, it will also change up here. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So let's go to our dashboard, and let's create a state wherein we will put in our data, our static data, and then we'll create a function that will fire whenever we click on each of this image, and we'll change the state, the date in our state, and also the display. Okay, so we start by writing in our state here, and then what data are we going to put in here? So first is the image color or the t-shirt color, so we name this one color, t-shirt color, and we set that to a default color of black. Okay, oops, sorry for that. Next is the upper text. So upper text, we set that to this is upper text. We also need the lower text, so here we also put in this is lower text. Then for the memeImg, we'll just write it here, memeImg, and we'll set that to an empty string. Okay, so how are we going to pass the data or pass the data of this state into our display? So we pass it by using a props. So here we just write in here color, and then a pair of curly braces, and we pass in the state. Okay, so this should be display, so that because we are going to pass all the data from the state display, and then this state. So we'll save that, and let's go to display, and we'll take the props that we pass in using the structuring. We'll just take in display. So let's check that out. We'll just console.log display. So let's check what data in this display. So let's go to our browser. Let's save it first. Go to our browser, inspect, go to our console, and we have an object here. So the object is basically the state, and there we go. We have this data that we pass in from the dashboard to the display. Okay, so now let's create a function that will change the color of the t-shirt. Okay, so whenever we click on each of this t-shirt, it will automatically change the color of the t-shirt in our display. So let's go to dashboard. Let's create a function, handle t-shirt color. This will be an arrow function. Okay, so we pass in the event. Okay, we'll just console.log target. So let's now let's go to the settings, and let's create an on change or on click in each of the images. On click, okay, getting it right. Yeah, okay. But first we're going to pass this function in our settings. So to do that, let's just say color, and we pass that function, this handle t-shirt color. Let's go to our settings and we'll take that one, okay, color, and then we'll pass it in the on click color. Okay, so before that, I think we should give each image an ID, so that when we click on each t-shirt, we will take the ID, and that ID we will pass it into our state, okay, and change this default color here. So to do that, let's say ID, and we put that black. Okay, so let's try to check this one, save, and let's try to click, and we get the event target. So in order to get the ID, we change this, sorry, to ID. Okay, just remove this one because we're already done with this. Okay, click again, and there you go, we got the black color. So we take this black ID and we use it to change this static color into a dynamic. So let's remove this one. Okay, set state curly braces. Okay, and here we are going to change the t-shirt color. T-shirt color. Okay, there you go. So we've taken the ID, we pass it into the t-shirt color, and we change the state up here. So let's put all ID in each of the images. You just copy this one, paste there, paste there, paste there, and let's change this to white, gray, this one would be blue, and this will be red. Okay, let's check it out. So if I click on this image, I hope it will change into white. Nope, because we are not putting it, we did not change the display into dynamic, so we need to do that. So in order to do that, we change this one into a backticks. We'll just remove this. Okay, we'll take this and paste it here inside the backticks, and then we'll just take the display dot t-shirt color and remove that. Save. Let's go back. Change this one. Nope. So what could be the problem here? T-shirt color. We did not pass handle t-shirt color. Okay, because we did not write the on click and forgot this one. Space that. Save again. Let's try again one more time. There you go. It's working now. Blue, red, gray, and black. Alright, so we are done with the color of the t-shirt. Now we'll move on to creating a function that will fire. We pass that using props, so we'll name this one upper text, this handle, okay, handle upper text. Save. Let's go to settings. We'll take that one, upper text, and then let's create an on change, and we are going to write the color or the upper text, sorry. Save, and let's try. Okay, it's not working because again we forgot to change it dynamically in our display. Okay, this is what we are getting in our t-shirt, so we are going to change that. Oops. Display that upper text. Save, and let's, there we go, make America. Okay, so let's go on working with the lower text. So the same setup. Let's go to dashboard. Just copy this one, and we'll change this to lower text. Okay, let's create a props and lower text. This under lower text. Let's take that from our settings. Okay, it should be comma, and let's create an on change. Lower text. Save it. Go to our browser and let's try. Great. Again, and it's not working because we need to go to our display and change this as well. Display that lower text. Save, and last time, it now work again. Very nice. Let's make America great again, and we can change the color to white, blue, red, gray. That's it. We're done. So in the next video, we are going to work on the upload image. So what are we going to do is to create a Firebase account and then set up our storage so that when we upload a file, image file, it will go to our Firebase storage. It then create a URL, which then we will get it to update our t-shirt, our meme image in our t-shirt. So that is for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please go to the next video and continue learning. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.